One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it the blessing or a curse not to be blinded by the sun above the kingdom of earth? I never stop living in a dream, but I can see the edge when I'm dancing on the cliff. I have learned to love behind the borders of my dreams, but I won't jump into the sea. There's always darkness waiting in the deep. You'll never break my walls down. Why'd let them fall for you? I might be wrong, but that's how I always manage to get through. Stories that I've heard about love that bloomed like various flowers on the earth. Winter always came, it killed and cold every spark of every flame. I've seen it on my own, her getting lost in the unknown. So many things I would have done to let her know she's not alone, but she never came. home.